gentlemen, I'm going to brief you on our safety procedures on this aircraft. We ask you to remove your personal headphones until the end of the briefing. All handheld devices, including mobile phones, must now be in flight safe mode or switched off and held securely or placed into a pocket. Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed away safely. Finally, please ensure your window blind is in the open position for takeoff, and as a reminder, smoking is not permitted at any time whilst on board. If you have any questions, please do ask the crew. Thank you.
Information video. Can you just look at the camera and give your name, please?
Hi, I'm Stuart Allergy.
And have you done any safety videos before?
No, only feature.
Well, this could be your big break, okay, mate? So don't mess it up. Shall we get one in the can, guys? Okay, action!
We will now demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. And your attention is essential, as these may differ from any aircraft that you've flown on before.
Items in the locker carefully, as they may fall out and injure someone, especially if there's a bag full of duty-free goods, darling.
Actually, that was meant for Joanna Longley.
In case of an evacuation, you must move quickly to the closest usable exit, taking absolutely nothing with you, and I mean nothing.
Smashed it.
All exits are clearly marked and are being pointed out to you now. Please take a moment to locate your nearest exit, bearing in mind this may be behind you. In the event of an emergency, low-level lighting will guide you to an exit. Your crew will now demonstrate this for you.
Wow, that was beautiful.
Oh, thanks.
Please carry on, Tandy.
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 Opening the doors automatically inflates the evacuation slides. And remember, high-heeled shoes must be taken off as they may tear the slide.
Please now fasten your seatbelt. It must be worn whenever the signs are on, and it is fastened and adjusted like this, and opened like this. Seatbelts must be worn when the seatbelt signs are illuminated. But for your comfort and safety, we recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened and visible at all times.
That's what I do. Keep mine on all the time. Even if I've got a blanket, I put it over. Very sensible. Like you.
If the cabin air supply fails, oxygen will be provided. Masks like this will appear automatically. Stay in your seat and pull the mask towards you. Place the mask over your mouth and nose like this and breathe normally, adjusting the band to secure it. Please note that the bag may not inflate. In all the washrooms, Club World and first cabins, you may need to pull on the colored streamer to release the mask. And please, please, do make sure your own mask is fitted before helping anyone else.
That was so wonderful.
Oh.
You'll get the pass.
I think so, I hope so.
Thanks. Your life jacket is underneath or beside your seat. If required, please remove the jacket from its container and pull it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and tie them securely in a double bow at the side. And thus a double bow. To inflate, pull the red toggle as shown. Now the air in this rather wonderful jacket can be topped up by using this neat little mouthpiece. There's also a charming whistle and light combination for attracting attention, should you be one of those people who enjoys attention. And please, very obviously, do not inflate your lovely life jacket until you've actually left the aircraft. At which point, toggle up, inflate away, and whistle all you like.
Okay, please now ensure that your seat is upright and in the takeoff position with armrest down. Your footstool and video screen are stored if you have them, and your table is folded away.
Genius! Look, I got goosebumps.
Is that it? Just the tray table?
That's it. You absolutely nailed it, Jim.
Any personal device?
Great, very intense. I love the sour face. Maybe we could try the next bit just a little less serious. It's not X-Files, it's not Alien About. Just chill out, yeah?
Thank you.
Brilliant, thank you, Gillian.
You'll also find the Flying Start donation envelope in your seat area. So if you've got any spare change in any currency, find it, take it out, and put it in the envelope. Please.
Spot on. Okay, that's a wrap.
On behalf of British Airways, Comic Relief and Flying Start,
Thank you for your attention and your kind donations.
Every penny of which will help children all over the world.
Living really tough lives.
If you have any questions or you can't find your safety card,
Or Flying Start envelope.
Please, ask one of your gorgeous cabin crew members.
Have an enjoyable flight.
to London Heathrow. I'd like to welcome you all on board and welcome back our Executive Club card members and One World frequent flyers. We shall shortly be starting our cabin service with complimentary drinks and a hot meal for you in our Club Europe cabin. And in our Euro Traveller cabin, we shall be passing through the aircraft with our buy on board selection of Marks and Spencer's items. Details of all the items we have for sale can be found in the magazine in the seat pocket in front of you. Our flight time to London this evening will be approximately 2 hours and 15 minutes, so we should be arriving at around about 7:35 local time. We hope you now relax and enjoy this flight with us.